Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So from the title, I'm showing how I refresh my hair while doing the traditional Chebe routine. So if you'd like to know more about Chebe and all the amazing benefits that it gives my hair and all the lovely recipes I've created, go ahead and check out my Chebe playlist. So to begin, I need two things. First, Chebe powder from Sahel Cosmetics. I place that into a bowl and I have about 1 to 2 tablespoons, but honestly a little goes a long way, so I don't need much. Second thing I need is my hair cream mixture, which consists of Chebe butter, Chebe oil, and a moisturizer. This will allow the Chebe to coat and to stay on my hair. For the recipe on this hair cream, I'll leave the link in the description box below. So from the last video, I haven't touched my hair besides adding the hair track to cover up the plastic wrap when going outside and, just smoothing down my ends, but I haven't refreshed it. So to refresh my hair, I'm using aloe vera to dampen the top of my hair and my wave brush just to smooth back any flyaways. I'm using my current favorite cream from Obia Naturals to moisturize my hair. I tie my hair up in a ponytail to secure everything. Now for my braid, I'm going to remove the old plastic wrap and shake off as much of the old Chebe powder as possible. To get the Chebe powder locked into my hair, I apply the cream mixture all over the ends first. Then I apply the Chebe powder and I repeat in that order until I have a nice thick layer. So I do this about 2 to 3 times at the most. To keep the moisture locked in and to make sure the Chebe doesn't go all over me, I'm going to cover it up with a new set of plastic wrap. And as you can see, the plastic wrap is not perfect. I just want to make sure everything is locked in and the powder is not going to be dancing all over me. And of course, I'm going to remove my elastic hair tie because I refuse to have a tight ponytail and it's not going to be a protective style if my ponytail is tight. I freely wrap my braid up, and then I'm going to use one hair track to cover up the plastic wrap. And it is really that simple. It is a little bit messy, but honestly, the benefits are well worth it for me. And I won't need to refresh my braid again for at least another 6 to 7 days. The only thing I do is spray a little aloe vera juice on the top of my hair, and I just smooth it back with my hands, and I put on my silk scarf just to set it. But everything stays nice and neat and moisturized. But that is it for this video. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, guys.